Okay, adding positive and negative numbers. 2-2. Okay, positive and negative numbers are called integers. Below, these are all integers. -4, 0, 5, -2, 1. We're going to learn how to add them. On this video, you're going to see some modeling using integer chips. Red integer chips are negative numbers. Yellow integer chips are positive numbers. We're going to model some adding of integers. We're also going to be doing it in class tomorrow with actual integer chips. So make sure you follow the video and pay attention to the chips. Okay, above there are 3 equations, and what we're going to do is model these with integer chips. So remember, yellow is positive. So for positive 5, we need 5 yellow integer chips. For positive 2, we need 2 yellow integer chips. How many integer chips do we have altogether? We have 7 positive. 5 plus 2 is 7. You've been doing that problem for a while now. Now, next problem. For -5, we need, red. For -5, we need 5 negative integer chips. And we need 2 negative integer chips. How many negative integer chips do we have altogether? Right, we have -7. So -5 plus -2 is -7. Now, the next problem, we have 5 positive integer chips. So we need 5 positives. And then we have 2 negative integer chips. We need 2 negatives. Now, when you have one of each kind, instead of just counting them all up, you make 0 pairs. -1 plus +1 makes 0. That's a 0 pair. Here's another 0 pair, a negative and a positive. That's 0. What do we have left? We have 3 positives left. So the answer is +3. That's how you model, and that's how you learn to add positive and negative numbers at the beginning. Some of you already understand how to add positive and negative numbers, and that's great. Some of you still need to work with some integer chips. Sometimes you might not have any integer chips laying around. You know, you're not at school, you're at home, then you get really confused sometimes. So let me show you a way you can do it at home on your paper and help yourself be not so much confused. So, if you don't have any integer chips, we'll just use negative signs instead of integer chips. So we'll go -6. Well, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 negatives. +2. That's 2 positives. Okay, and then we'll say, 0 pair, 0 pair. What's left? 4 negatives. So the answer is -4. Okay, let's try again on this one. +5, 5 positives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 negatives. 0 pair, 0 pair, 0 pair. What's left? +2. Okay, let's try on the last one. -6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 negative over here. There's no 0 pairs. How many negatives are there altogether? -7. Think you're starting to get the hang of it. Okay, try these practice problems. When you get ready, turn the video back on to see the answer and the modeling. Okay, here are the answers and the modeling. Remember, you can model with integer chips or you can model with plus and minus signs. We are going to be doing a lot of modeling. Different math books write problems differently. Many math books like to put parentheses around the negative numbers. In fact, our math book does this. See this problem? This is the way our book will write 5 plus negative 3. Don't let the parentheses bother you. Just write it on your paper, drop the parentheses, and work it just like we've been doing. So let's see. 5 plus negative 3. That's 5 positives, 3 negatives. I bet you already have the answer. 0 pair, 0 pair, 0 pair. The answer is 2. Excellent. Okay, here's your video homework. Get it done. Bring it to class tomorrow. Make sure you write down the problems and show all your modeling. Have a great night.